Hey everybody, welcome to my first ever video on Pokemon Brick Bronze. I am continuing my story, which I have been playing for a little bit. So yeah, I forget where I was. Okay, let's see, can I heal my Pokemon? Yes, please. Good. Okay, thank you. Yeah, okay, bye. Alright, so no, Aipom, Swaddle, and Froakie. Yeah, that's right. I want to see in my bag, Pokeballs. Okay, good. Now, did I get my... Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, right. I need to make sure I have key items, berries, medicine items. Okay. Oh, you're kidding me. Seriously? Alright, so I'm right now chasing someone that has my, brick bronze that my parents gave me. Oh, come on. Seriously? Yeah. My Sawaddle no... Yes, it knows Bug Bite. Die. Mwahaha. Bam. Oh, you're kidding me. And I don't care about your defense thing. Yeah. Okay. I shouldn't be so mean to this guy. Oh. Should have known that. I need to go into Aipom, switch. I need to get into Froakie. Froakie, I want to evolve, and yeah. Froakie evolves, I think, at, level, oh, what is it? 15, I think? Yeah. Alright, let's use... Seriously? Ugh. Alright, so... I'm gonna use Bubble. Oh, I should have been using Bubble so many more times. I'm stupid. Swaddle gained. Man, yes. Yes. No. Metapod, I'm gonna use Bubble on you. Yes. Alright. Harden. Who cares about that? Bubble! Woo! Yes. Take that in your face, bug catcher. What is it? I think Richie? And I got 216 Pokebucks for that. That is beautiful. Alright, end of the line, lady. Alright. It's my fault for running into this dead end. The bridge was under construction, so hiding here was my only option. So you want this necklace back, huh? Well, too bad. Team Eclipse doesn't return what they earn. That's right, kid. I'm a member of Team Eclipse. Yeah, I already knew that. The only way I'd let you have your precious brick back is if you beat me in a Pokemon battle. That's easy. But let's face it, you are just a fresh new trainer. Excuse me? There's no way you can beat me. Yeah. So yeah, I did say before that I had been playing before, so yeah. Alright, I'm using Bug Bite with Sawaddle because it's actually working. Fine Whip. But it's not very effective. I only took 1 damage off of me. I'm taking like 3 or 4, 5 maybe. Oh man, tackle's pretty effective on me. There we go. Ah. I do not want to switch for a coughing. But now I will. Swaddle, come back, yay. And here comes my Aipom. I knew that it was gonna happen. Oh, well, not really. And go to my Froakie now. Alright. Oof. Oh, dude. Alright, Bubble. Is it effective? Not really. Oh, darn. Darn, darn, darny, darn, darn. Nope. You know what? Actually, I'm going to go back to Aipom. Froakie is not a very good, effective person. Ouch. Also, I want him to get, I want my Froakie to get some XP out of this, so I'm using Aipom. Because I don't really, well, actually, I guess I do. Oh, whatever. My Aipom fainted, so now I go to Swaddle, my amazing thing. Ah, shouldn't use that. Yay! Tackle. Get tackled! Okay. I don't know how long I can do this. Okay. Oof. Oh no, I'm poisoned. Ah. I think I can kill or faint this coughing before I completely get overtaken. No. Oh, I forgot Ghastly was here. Dude, no. Oh, I shouldn't be using that. And Swaddle faints because of the poison. Froakie, it's up to you. Is Bubble a good one? Yes, Bubble is good. Go Bubble! Woo! Oh. Ah. And now get crushed and creamed. Bam! Yes! Froakie evolved. And now I got 360 Pokebucks. Bucks. She gives me back my thing. And she basically says, we always get what we want. Okay, this is my friend Jake. Good job getting your necklace back. So she was one of those Team Eclipse people. I wonder what their problem is. Anyways, it's clear that you can't really trust anyone to find your parents for you right now. Team Eclipse really did take them. You will need a strong team of Pokemon to beat them. A great way to strengthen your Pokemon is to challenge the gym. I already knew that. Leaders in Roria. Okay. There are 8 gym leaders in Roria. And who knows, maybe while traveling you will learn more information on what might have happened to your parents. Anyway, there's a gym in the next town over. I suggest we start there. Don't worry, Florisaur. Yeah, that's my name. We'll get your parents back. Now let's go. Alright, let's go, Jake. Jake's such a good pal. He's like my friend right now. Oh, I rhymed. Why do I always do that? That's the most annoying thing. Oh my word. Scatterbug, shut up. Go away. Froakie's my only fighting Pokemon left. My only Pokemon left, really. Alright, and now I guess 17 experience. Seriously? No more? that's where I need to go to get to the next gym. Yeah, I have played this. This is the remastered version of Pokemon Brick Bronze. There is Pokemon Brick Bronze. Then there is another one before remastered, I think. So yeah, and I was pretty far in that too, I think. Oh yeah, that guy isn't very good to get Pokemon. No! Ugh! Let's try this again. Go out, go this way. Alright. No! Seriously, dude? I happened to catch a rare Pokemon. What is it? Ladybug? Okay, that I cannot be... Yeah, he has 3 Pokemon. I need to play this skillfully. It's not very effective, but look at that. And the Ladybug used Tackle. I used Bug Bite. Bam. And it's still not very effective, but literally completely crushing Ladybug. There we go. Ladybug fainted, so Waddle gained 90 experience. And yes, I will, for a Spinarak, I will take Aipom. Alright. Let's use Scratch. Ooh. Scary face. Actually, that's a pretty good one. Scratch again. I will use Scratch again. And yes, there we go. Yes. Scratch is a pretty good move, actually. Oh, Constrict. It's not that it's not that great. Yes, I got 96 experiment. Yes, I will. Oh, Pikachu. Oh no. Go Froakie. Froakie against Pikachu is at a really bad disadvantage. Like I said. And this Pikachu's level 14. Like, please use... No! I died. Froakie, no! Froakie was my first one. That's why I'm sad. Bug Bite. Destroy you. Please let me destroy you. Also, after this, I'm going to go back, I'm going to go back into the Pokemon Center to heal up. And I'm hopefully going to be able to get to the gym, and I might be able to, I don't know. $448 Poké-Dollars. Okay, let me go back. And like I said, hopefully I will be able to get to the gym like before I end the video, but I might not. Yes, I would like to heal my Pokemon. Oh, and forgive me if I go a little fast through all the reading because it gets kind of annoying, like, just reading it all. Seriously, like, it's really annoying sometimes to do that. So, yeah. Dude, move. Floor found an antidote. Floor put the antidote in the bag. Yay. Alright. So the gym's this way. No, not that way. Oh, right. The gym's that, I'm so stupid right now. Forgot about that. Yes, since I did that, I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to get to the gym. Yeah. Sadly, this is the end of the episode here, so I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!